My name is Erica Lloyd. I am the Director for Research and Innovation for Soil. Soil is an organization that has operated in Haiti since 2006. And what Soil does is work on ensuring that people have access to safe sanitation. So most places in Haiti, there's no access to a sewer network. And so people don't have access to a safe place to go to the bathroom. Soil has started a service for household toilets using what's called a container-based toilet that contains all of the waste. We collect those containers each week, transport them to a treatment site where we actually transform that waste into beautiful agriculture grade compost. We moved to NetSuite in 2017 for our accounting, our donor management, our human resources management. But a lot of the kind of reporting and tools that we use were based in Google Suite. And so I went looking for what's an easy way to keep all of those Google Suite tools updated in the reports that people are used to using with our data from NetSuite. So that's when I came across the Guru Solutions tool for the NetSuite data exporter. And it was a godsend. It did exactly what we needed, which is with a click of a button, send all of the information that we had in NetSuite and dump them into Google Sheets, where our reports could get people the specific information that they needed access to. Having that information at your fingertips has made it possible for our managers to make really informed decisions. It's actually helped us reduce our cost per toilet per month. So we're able to serve more customers with the same amount of money, and we're making progress to get there. Getting Guru's the data exporter set up was very easy. If it is important for you to get data from NetSuite into the Google Suite, it is a great tool. It works exactly as advertised. It's really straightforward. I would highly recommend it.